Yeah, we're back. We're back again, live here on Bitcoin currency, digital currency news, Bitcoin news. Look, check that out. The Bitcoin Zcash price is very important. Spoke about that yesterday. The market price, the Algorand price chart, the wrapped Bitcoin. All of these coins, get them now. Affordable price. I don't know about the Ethereum. I don't know about the wrapped Bitcoin. I don't know about Bitcoin, but those coins have left the building. So if you got the money, get it. But for now, the real big deal, one of the biggest stuff we're going to be talking about is the UMA price chart. Okay, but first of all, check out my station, Digital Currency News, but it'll be Papa Christos, PAPACRISTOS space TV. Okay, and most of all, cash app me at $PAPACRISTOS or KRISTOS. Look for the dragon with the 3 eyes. You can cash app on your phone or on your desktop, and let's get it started. The UMA price, UMA, okay, it's at $22.61, $8.70 percentage. I had to pull some money out today. Okay, I didn't want to, but I had to. See, that's the problem with investments. You got to have multiple strings of income. So we got the 1.3 billion market cap, the volume $40 million, circulating supply 56.1 million UMA. What is UMA? UMA is an Ethereum token that describes itself as an open source protocol that allows developers to design and create their own financial contracts and synthetic assets. The protocol name comes from the team's goal of creating universal market access. So UMA stands for Universal Market Access. So they're already working on a big range where their objective is to provide universal transactions from Japan to China to the United States, from Canada to South America, Colombia hit Nicaragua to Africa. Africa is already on the Bitcoin. They're going hard at it. So that's what it's all about. And this doesn't have no earn up to 35 worth of crypto. Start earning. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. So go get it. Learn about it. Wow. See that? Okay. Now I already did that, but I did not know that it was all right here on this site right here with UMA. See, we learn something new every day. UMA right here got it all here for you. So go learn that stuff. $34 worth of free coins right there. You see it right there. Earn up to $34 worth of cryptocurrency. Okay, it doesn't get better than that. Who's going to give you $34 free for just studying about it? They want you to have the knowledge. They want you to be more influenced, have that faith and credit in it. That's why they're giving it to you. The banks ain't going to give you $34. No financial plan is going to give you $34. Ain't nobody going to give you $34 for free. You're already getting $34, and these are good coins. Basically, with all my people I worked with, I've seen them buy coins for $22, $1, $5. I got like 3 clients that I got to see today, and I've just seen all those coins explode. Somebody got they bought the coins at $5. Now they're $25. They bought the coins at $8 or $12. Now they're $250. They bought the coins at $700. Now they got 18,000. Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's check out what Max Kaiser got to say.
In 1517, he derived a quantity theory of money. He invented that, a key concept in economics, And in 1519, he formulated an economic principle that later came to be called Gresham's Law. So he invented Gresham's Law. He wrote his words, he was back in Prussia as a governor at this point, and he said that bad money, i.e. debased coinage, drives good, i.e. undebased coins, out of circulation. The quantity theory of money he invented and states that the general price level of goods and services is directly proportional to the amount of money in circulation, or money supply. So, don't go down the rabbit hole and try to find out how much money supply there is.
Right. It's interesting that he published it right before his death. So he probably knew it for years and years, but realized that he had to wait until he was close to death to publish it. It's just like Satoshi is anonymous, right? Because the powers that be would be vindictive and hunt Satoshi down, and there would be all kinds of problems. And so the truth always has to be eased into our general population, the gen pop, in this way by those who see the truth, and or use alliteration or fiction like Alice in Wonderland or The Wizard of Oz or any number of poetic illustrations, poetic license as it's called, to subversively talk about reality in a way that won't get you in trouble. Because obviously, the Inquisition was nasty, right? And they really got upset. And now we have during the Fiat Dark Ages, we have the CNBC is a bit of an Inquisition. They go after deplatforming everybody. But I didn't know that Copernicus also invented the concept of money quantity and how that relates to goods and services and prices and stuff. So that's fascinating that he would have those kinds of insights, and it's still with us today.
An interest or a level of conviction, they have to be able to come into the market and start trading. And I think in that sense, Tether plays a central role. And we actually, for example, saw the volume of Tether, I think, greatly increased after 2017, if I remember that correctly. That was after Chinese government banned the direct trading of crypto assets against Chinese yen. And there are many other areas where they probably don't have direct access to Bitcoin through their local currency. So Tether and some of the other stablecoins really serve as that on-ramp.
Okay, so let me ask you this. The idea that Tether, the controversy around Tether seems to have been put to rest. In other words, the conclusion from this inquiry was that they didn't manipulate prices, and that seemed to be the basis for most of the FUD, of most of the...
Let me tell you what they're talking about. They're talking about Tether right here. This is Tether that they're talking about. We talked about that recently. And Tether is right here. Ooh, there's a lot of coins here. Yeah, we spoke about Tether. Tether right here. We're talking about Tether right here. Tether's at $3.92. It's from Asia. Get it? It's moving up. See that right there? 2020, 2021. Get started. Get your Tether today. We're going to talk about that coin very soon. I believe that it is 11.57% growth. All right, 250.3 million. That's what we're talking about right here.
The concern is that they were manipulating prices. What you're saying is it's an on-ramp, and once that on-ramp is on, then it's all about price discovery and supply and demand, and it's just like it has no fundamental impact on the price of Bitcoin. Am I hearing you correctly, huh?
It's not a manipulation, to be honest. I don't think it's a manipulation by any party. It's that price discovery, Max, as you pointed out. But if we didn't have this on-ramp, then that price discovery journey may probably take longer for us to get to where we are. There may be some other ways where people figure out how to get their money into the system and trade. And when we talk about, for example, when people are interested in Bitcoin, some of them are hodlers, right? We have hard conviction in it, and we'll hold whatever happened to it. We'll buy at any price. But there are also speculation interest. And yes, I think there are emotional perspectives on that speculation population. But from where I've seen, I think that speculation interest is actually a critical part for price discovery. You have to have people in the market, in the free market, who are willing to voice their opinion and actually put money into their belief. And that's part of the price discovery.
Yeah, and that's what we're doing today. The fact that in China, certain populations, certain districts are banned from having Bitcoin because they do not believe with their policy, they do not believe with their religious belief, or whatever they're against. They cannot purchase coins. And that's what's going to happen in the USA. That's what's going to happen here. They're going to be like, these people here can't get Bitcoins. They're already telling certain places in Africa that the government does not like that they can't have Bitcoins, okay, and to ban it. All right, the French is going down there saying you got to ban this currency, digital currency. You can't have digital currency until we say you could have it. And Africa is like, no, we have the right to have it. We do whatever we want and trade what coin we want. So it's going on. They know the power behind this, okay, and it's backed up by the mining. The digital mining company, they build a building, they're mining it, and that's the collateral. That's what's there. It's just like a gold company who's mining for gold, and the gold has value. The digital currency has value and full faith and credit with the people who are using it and trading with it. So that's it for today. We checked out the UMA out right here, and we'll be talking about some other coins later on. Just check that UMA again, Universal Market Access. Okay, the UMA price is at 22.62. Get that coin today. Put $100 in there. 200. Don't let this stuff slide. I see this. Basically, I see by the end of the year, maybe it'll be up there in the 300s. We didn't even check out the website, but go check out the website, the official website, and see what's going on there. All right, and read up on it. Get your knowledge before you invest. Okay, it's all right there for you. This is Digital Currency News. If you want to get me on the YouTube, it's PAPACRISTOS space TV, and click on it, subscribe, show your support, hit the like button, and thanks for coming by. Have a good day, and come back for more.